Let's talk about dirt, the foundation of every garden. But not all dirt is created equal, and what you add can make or break your plants. Enter biochar, the so-called black gold of gardening. It looks like charcoal, but if you just toss it in, it's basically a bunch of black rocks. Biochar is made by burning organic material in low oxygen, creating a super-porous, carbon-rich structure, like a sponge with empty holes. Add raw biochar, and it soaks up water and nutrients your plants need, leaving them struggling. The secret? Charge it first. Fill those pores with nutrients before adding it to your soil. Prep it right, and biochar becomes true black gold. Stick around to learn how. To see what charging biochar really does, we ran a backyard experiment. 3 containers, same soil, same bean seedlings. First, raw biochar, straight from the bag. Second, biochar, soaked in compost tea for a week. Third, biochar mixed into compost and left for a month. Each method got a bean seedling, same sun, same water. Would the raw stuff hurt the plant? Would a quick soak help? Or was a month in compost the real secret? We waited and watched. Here's what happened. The results were clear from the start. You could see the difference with your own eyes. The bean with raw biochar looked weak and yellow, starved for nutrients and struggling to grow. The compost tea-soaked biochar plant did better, greener and a bit taller but not thriving. The real winner? The plant with month-composted biochar, twice as big, deep green and thriving. Why? Microbes. Composting fills biochar with life, bacteria and fungi that help plants flourish. Charged biochar turns empty charcoal into a powerhouse for your garden. Your plants will show the difference. So, what's the big takeaway here? If you want to unlock the full potential of biochar, always charge it before using. This simple step makes all the difference for your soil and your plants. As you build your compost pile, mix in about 10% biochar by volume. This helps the biochar soak up nutrients and beneficial microbes as the compost matures. Let the pile sit for at least a month, long enough for microbes and nutrients to move in and transform the biochar into a living soil amendment. When you finally add this charged, living mix to your garden beds, you're giving your soil a slow-release fertilizer, a water reservoir, and a thriving microbial habitat all at once. Remember, this isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term investment in the health and resilience of your soil, and the results will build year after year. Composting biochar transforms it into a super-stable, life-giving humus that can last for decades, feeding your plants and soil life. Be patient, it's worth it. Do the dirty work up front, mix, wait, and let nature do its thing. Never throw biochar in dry. Let it soak up life first, whether in compost, worm bins, or even a nutrient tea. Your plants will reward you with stronger growth, deeper roots, and more resilience to stress. That's the real secret to creating black gold in your garden. Patience, preparation, and a little bit of dirt under your fingernails.